Here. Boom. 29. Let's see, hold on. 27 and... Got it. Okay, here's what my desk is going to look like, and here are the different pieces. So, we've got all the pieces right here. I just got to make the cuts. I'm going to plane all these boards first because they are old pressure treated wood that have been outside for several years as a different project of mine. Got to check for any metal. Completely destroy the planer blades. Aha! An old drill bit. Until I can get a floor mounted planer, I'm going to have to do it on the floor. Bam. Bam.
And now for the angle cutter.
These ones are a little more difficult. This part together, nice and clean on this side thanks to these delicious pocket hole guys. Now it's a little off because the floor is not flat. Bingo. This is why it's nice to have tall ceilings, because sometimes you gotta mount this stuff really high because you suck at woodworking. Or, you know. Fantastic. Okay, I'm about to lift this plywood up onto the actual supports. Let's see how it goes. At least it fits. What I need to do now is draw the curved edge of the desk here. What I typically use is a string to get a nice even circumference. However, I'm a little bit of a loss here because it's not a perfect circumference, but I'm going to start out that way. Now you've got a nice smooth surface, a nice round edge. Perfect.